This Brita water filter tank, which is 8.2 liter capacity, is amazing. Being a doctor, I'm always worried about things that can affect health, and one of them is kidney stones if you're drinking hard, salty water. I want me and my family to drink clean water, and this is the exact way of doing it. It comes through Amazon home deliveries and is under Prime. It also shows a battery life for this filter, which gives you an idea when it's gonna pass out so that you can order more filters. One filter can last, or the cartridge of the filter can last for a month or so. Click on the link below to check the product on Amazon. It's amazing and worth the price for a healthy life. Stay hydrated. Stay healthy.